Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing to share with you guys. I'm super excited. So as you guys know, I mentioned a few weeks ago that I canceled my Planner Society subscription. So this one's actually not going to be my last kit. I have one more box coming. So I'm just going to go ahead and open the box. And in case you guys are wondering why I'm canceling my kit, it's just simply because she's going to be bringing back older kits. She's going to revamp them a little bit, and I'm kind of not feeling it, so that's kind of why I canceled it. But maybe in September, October, if I decide that I want to resubscribe, then I'll definitely do so. But this is what the kit looks like. So this was one of the kits, I forgot which month, but it is a older kit, but it is revamped in some way. There's less items in here. And then this is the sticker box kit, so I'll just go ahead and open this up first. I love the bag. The bag is super pretty. So let me see. All right. So this is what the kit looks like. Here we have the checklist. Here we have the half boxes, quarter boxes, and the washi strips. Those washi strips are really pretty. These boxes are super cute. And then here we have the TPS. Look at how cute this is. These are the full box decorative stickers. That is so cute. I love that. The pen holder is so pretty too. And then here we have our headers and some trackers. So really pretty. So that's the sticker kit. Just in case you guys are interested, I will leave their information link down below in case you're interested in subscribing. She did lower the price. I forgot how much the whole kit is now, but you won't get as many items as we used to before because I think she took some things out. But let's go ahead and start with this one. So over here we have the die cuts and the decorative cards. So that's the backing. And then here we have, big things often have small beginnings. That's so pretty. I love that quote. And then here we have this one. If it's still in your mind, it's worth taking a risk. And then here we have this one. You are the creator of your own destiny. These are beautiful, encouraging quotes. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy planners. Yes. And then the future belongs to those who believe in chasing their dreams. Successful people never worry about what others are doing. That's beautiful. And then here we have, these feel a little lighter too, so it feels like she sent a little less. But that coat is so adorable, so cute. And then here we have, let's just do it this way. We got some... And by the way, in case you guys didn't know, I always forget, but these are actually stickers. They're die cut stickers, so you could take the backing off. Here's like a little diamond. Here we have the shoes. Here we have paper clip, the crystal heart, floral, some more florals. They put the backing on this wrong because it's sticking out. And then we have the bow. That's really pretty. And then we have this one. Here we have the pen holder. Oops. Here we have the paper clip. Oh, that little teacup is so cute. And then we got the luggage. The chair, the vintage chair. This one is just so pretty. I think that's her like main piece. Super pretty. So then we have the paper clip again. She's using that perfume bottle. So here's the backing. Look at how cute that is. And then here's the paper clip. This is so cute. I love it. That's what that looks like. And then we have a stamp. Oh, if I can open it. Here's the stamp. So it's the TPS girl. Super cute. And then here we have the sticky notes with the marble and pink and white backing. And then the diamond shaped sticky notes. Really cute. And then we have the stickers. I never throw away any of the packaging. I know I say that in every video, but you can always use it for something. So here we have the decorative stickers. Really cute. Here we have these. I used to use these sort of as like date covers, and I would just put the date or the day or the date on there. That's a little idea. Here we have some more decorative stickers, and then the wording stickers. Really pretty. And also I just saw on her Instagram that she has a lot of stuff left over from kits. So I think she's going to be releasing them to her Planner Society website. So if you guys are interested in getting like sticky notepads or die cuts or headers or paper, definitely go follow her, because she says she's going to have a lot of that stuff on sale. So that would be a great way to snag some of this stuff up. Here we have the backing. And then here we have the adhesive pocket. So this is a pocket. It has a scalloped top. So really cute. Here we have this one. Same thing, the marble print with a scalloped top. And then this one has that kind of half a moon pocket. Really pretty. I love the florals. Then we have the pen. Super cute. Then we have the washi tape, which is really beautiful. It's just like a floral. And then we have the divider tabs and the sticker tabs. I'm definitely going to miss the kit, but I feel like I have so much stuff that it'll last me until I'm ready to subscribe. Here we have this one. That's so pretty. Matches the bag. And these are divider tabs, so you just take them out, put them on your divider, close them, and then you can use these sticker labels to label them. So you put them in the white part. Really pretty. These are like in a rose gold, and they have everything from wish list, reading, fitness, birthday, holidays, family, schedule, health, projects, budgets, meal plan, monthly notes, work. They have all of the days of the week. They have the months. So this one's really, really good. And then here is the surprise product, which is a album. It's a sticker album. And I'm definitely going to miss this stuff the most. These little cute things. I absolutely love this. So it's a sticker book, as you can see. And she never really added the elastic band, and now for this one she added the elastic band, which is really, really cute. I love this. It looks like a beautiful TN. I wonder if I could turn it into a TN. I'm pretty sure I could, leaving this in here. That's a really fun idea. And I don't think it fits this one, but it does fit. It doesn't fit this one either. It'll fit this one. It's just slightly a little bigger. But you can put all your stickers in here. Super cute. It's beautiful. I love it. Alright, and then last but not least, the paper. There we go. I always love to see the paper. Yeah, so as you can definitely tell, there's not a lot. There used to be like all kinds of stuff in here. This definitely feels a lot lighter. So here we have this. It's beautiful. Oh, I love that. And you get two. So here we have two of those. This one's gorgeous. I remember this kit. Here we have this one. Again, you get a set of 2, then you get the vellum. Look at those beautiful roses. And then we have this one with the diamonds. So cute. I think my puppy is stuck in the game room. I can hear him banging on the door trying to get out. So I'm going to make this quick. And the last one. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That is my Planner Society kit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All information for the Planner Society will be linked down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!